Today we are testing and reviewing this mini karaoke machine. If you don't already know, you can get it on Amazon. 3 things we'll go over in this video: sound quality, battery life, and added features. Ready, set, go. Well, isn't that the cutest little thing? All right, let's see if it comes fully charged.
Bluetooth.
Nice. And the microphones. Oh,
Check. 1, 2.
all right, so on the actual speaker itself, there is a volume up, volume down, play and power button, a Bluetooth connect button, and then this button changes the light color or turns it off. So a few different options. Don't forget the leather strap to easily move your speaker. And then of course the back charging ports for headphones, aux, and then 2 different ways to charge it with USB. The microphones are even simpler: an on and off button, volume up, volume down, and then this small microphone button at the bottom of the microphone switches it to magic sound, which we'll get to here in a second.
All right, now on to sound quality.
The listing online says hi-fi sound with minimal distortion. Layman's terms, that means it should be clear and balanced.
I'm not an audio savant, but it sounds pretty clear and pretty balanced.
Obviously, this is not going to replace a couple $100 professional speaker, but for $30 and how small and portable it is, the sound quality is crisp and it gets really loud. Next up, battery life. I didn't sit around and test this in person, but all the reviews, the description online says the battery will last 8 to 10 hours. If you're doing a karaoke session for more than 10 hours, then this isn't for you. Worst case scenario, like I mentioned in the back, there's USB ports. You can charge it while you use the karaoke machine and you'll never run out of battery. Okay, now let's talk features. First, Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your phone or tablet to this speaker to play music while you sing over top of that music. Honestly, a lot of times people will use YouTube videos that show the lyrics on top of the YouTube video while you're getting the audio as well. That's a great feature and definitely something you want with a karaoke setup like this. Another feature that I already showed you, the LED lights. They do sync to the music and it just gives that professional karaoke machine look. Last, and I mentioned this earlier, and it is my favorite feature as well, when you click this button at the bottom of the mic, you get magic sounds. I'll test it out. This is original.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Magic sound.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
As you can imagine, what kid wouldn't love the magic sound button? A lot of fun. I'm not saying it won't get annoying for parents, but cool feature to have. Final thoughts: if you're looking for a mini karaoke machine, this one's honestly amazing bang for your buck. Like I mentioned, it's in the description below and a link. If you liked the video, if it was helpful, please consider purchasing from that link. I get a small kickback from that and it allows me to help making more videos like this. If you want to see more tests, reviews, things like that, subscribe, like,
And until next time, see you later.